Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Day in Our Lives at Mason & Smith. So today is episode 4. We're going to be talking about repairs. And here with me today we have 3 beautiful pair of shoes from Chanel. They look amazing. And women's shoes always intrigue me a lot because we're so used to doing men's shoes. Men's shoes can be quite straightforward when it comes to adding half rubber soles, rubber heel, etc. But when it comes to women's shoes, they are built a little bit more intricately. So it means that we have to be very careful when it comes to repairing them. And recently there has been a lot of clients coming in with requests to put on half rubber soles. So we're going to explain a little bit about how we work on these ladies' shoes. So over here, a beautiful pair of shoes from Chanel, and the client just sent this in for a half rubber repair. So when it comes to a half rubber repair, typically it's actually a half rubber piece that goes onto the front to protect the wear and tear on the shoes. For us, we would usually kind of do a small incision here and then add on the rubber. And women's shoes, they have very thin outsoles, so you can see on the edges they are very close to the upper. With men's shoes, there's always a welt that kind of separates. There's always a welt that separates the shoe and the upper, so we have got some allowance here. But when it comes to women's shoes, it's extremely tight. So it's essential that when you're cutting or doing any kind of repair work on the shoes, you have to be really careful not to damage the upper. As compared to female shoes, we've got the male shoes half rubber repair here. So this is very typical for clients who do not intend to send their shoes back to the factory for resole and want to protect their shoes and make them last a bit longer. Half rubber soles are very effective in doing so.